हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम स्टडी करेंगे एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स। आप सब जानते होंगे इंटीजर्स किसे कहते हैं। पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, नेगेटिव नंबर्स एंड ज़ीरो टुगेदर फॉर्म इंटीजर्स। आज हम जानेंगे इंटीजर्स को हम ऐड किस तरीके से करेंगे। सबसे पहले तो हम इसकी प्रॉपर्टी स्टडी करेंगे। दी फर्स्ट वन, व्हेन एडिंग इंटीजर्स with same sign, add the numbers ignoring the sign. You have to ignore the sign and you have to simply add the numbers ignoring the sign. Give the common sign to the sum. इस प्रॉपर्टी के बेस पे हम कुछ सम सॉल्व करेंगे। The first example you can see here, 9 plus 4. Here 9 is also positive and 4 is also positive. So both the numbers have same sign. Plus 9 plus 4. So you have to simply add the number, that is 9 plus 4 will give you 13, and then you will give the common sign. These two numbers have common sign plus, so the plus will come here. This final answer will be plus 13. So 9 and 4 both are positive numbers. If you add these numbers you get answer 13, and to this number the common sign is plus, so the answer will be plus 13. Similarly we will solve one more example, 7 plus 8. अभी यहाँ पे 7 भी पॉजिटिव है और 8 भी पॉजिटिव है. So when you add, you will write plus 7 plus bracket plus 8. Both the signs are same. You have to simply ignore the sign and you have to add the numbers. 7 plus 8 will give you 15, and then you will give the common sign. Common sign in both the number is plus. So the final answer will be plus 15. Similarly, we have here 12 plus 17. 12 and 17 both are positive numbers. So we will add plus 12 plus 17. Now you will add 12 plus 7 will give you 29, and the common sign to this two number is plus. So the final answer will be plus 29. Now here some more example of the common sign. Minus 5 plus minus 2. Here again the two numbers have same sign, minus and minus in between addition. So when you add two numbers with same sign, you have to simply add the number ignoring the sign. That is 5 plus 2, the answer will be 7, but you will give the common sign to the number. The common sign is minus, so the final answer will be minus sign. Now here minus 3 and minus 7, these are negative numbers. Both the numbers have same sign. When you add the numbers with same sign, when you add two integers with same sign, you have to simply add the number, that is 7 plus 3 will give you 10, and you have to give the common sign to the number. Here the common sign in both the number is minus, so the answer is minus 7. In both these example we have minus sign to both the numbers. So we will simply add the number ignoring the sign, like 5 plus 2 will be 7, but the common sign between the two numbers is minus, so we will give minus 7. The answer will be minus 7. In this example, minus 3 and minus 7, both the numbers have same sign, minus sign. So when adding both the numbers with same sign, you have to simply add the number, like 3 plus 7 will give you 10, and then you will put the common sign of the two numbers. The common sign of the two numbers is minus, so the answer is minus 10. Now we will study the second property. The second property is when adding integers with different sign. Now when adding the integers with different sign, here you will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one and give the sign of the bigger one to the difference. We will solve example for these. Now see here, 9 plus 3. 9 plus minus 3. Now this number carries plus, positive sign, and this integer it carries negative sign. So these are the numbers with different sign. So when you have to add the numbers with different sign, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. This calculation you will do in mind. Like 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. But you will give the sign of the bigger number to the answer. The sign of the greater number is 9, and the sign 9 carries plus sign. So the answer is plus 6. The sign of the greater number you will give the answer to the answer, you will give the sign of the greater number. You will do the subtraction in your mind, like 9 plus minus 3. So you will subtract 3 from 9, the answer will be 6. But the greater number carries positive sign, so the answer will be plus 6. Similarly, here one more example, minus 5 plus 3. Now these are the numbers with different sign. In such cases, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. Like 5 minus 3 will give you 2. But the greater number carries minus sign, that is negative sign, so you will put here minus sign. Similarly here, minus 6 plus 3. Here, when two numbers are having different sign, then you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. So 6 minus 3 will be, answer will be 3, but the greater number carries minus sign, so the answer will be minus 3. Whatever sign the bigger number or the greater number is carrying, you have to give the same sign to the answer. Now here, minus 2 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same as it is. So minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2 only. And 0 plus 8, the answer will be same, plus 8. Now here, again two different sign is there. Plus 10 and minus 3. When you add the integers with different sign, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. Like 10 minus 3, the answer is 7. And then you will put the sign of the greater number. So the sign of the greater number is plus. So the answer is plus 7. Here, minus 2 plus 7. Again different sign is there. So you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then you will put the sign of the greater number. Sign of the greater number is plus. So the answer is plus 5. So I hope आज जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया वो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस पर लाइक कमेंट और शेयर भी ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.